Good morning, Power Wash Store of Central PA here. We are sending this one out today with its owner who's coming to pick it up later on today. I'll give you a full walkthrough here. We've got our 5 electric hose reels here. These are the Hanny 18-inch hose reels. We've got 2 for our pressure washing line, 1 for garden hose, and then our chemical line. The 5th reel over here that's by itself is going to be for our water purification system for cleaning windows. 8-gallon a minute pressure washer at 3,500 PSI. That's a gear drive unit with the GX690. Above that, we have our proportioner with 2 soap tanks behind. That proportioner is going to be for our soft washing system, which is actually 2 soft wash systems. We have here on the bottom right hand corner is that 12 volt system. It's a dual pump setup. One is your working pump, the other one's for backup. We actually have it set up for bleach transfer as well, so that second pump will be your bleach transfer pump. By changing a ball valve then, a 3-way ball valve to the proportioner, we switch over to the second soft wash system, which is going to be the primary soft wash system on this truck, the air diaphragm setup. We have our 1/2-inch all-flow pump with a 30 CFM roll air compressor, and then the Tsunami air dryer is there to make that system complete. On the left here is our Water Dragon hot water unit. That is 8 gallons a minute at 3,500 PSI with a stainless steel frame. Back behind this air compressor is our water purification system. That is the system by Tucker. 4-stage system with an onboard pump and a TDS meter so you can check your water, see how clean it is. Over here we've got our 2 11-gallon fuel tanks for the pressure washer, some plumbing here. Our tanks that we use for this system is a 270 tank for water. We have another 100-gallon tank for water, and then we have a 100-gallon bleach tank. We also added a ladder rack system to this truck. We put a PVC tube up there for storing your poles, water-fed poles, and gutter cleaning poles. And then we also added a surface cleaner mount up here. That platform will house a 24-inch grounds force surface cleaner. So this one's going to be rolling out of here today. Power Wash Store of Central PA for all of your build needs. Give us a call if you want to discuss an upcoming build. 717-378-2276. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.